Hello everyone. So my name is Nathan and I work as an IT professional and I have an IT experience of around 5 years into a development profile, and my programming language is Java. For past 5 years I'm working in Java, Spring Boot, microservices as my tech stack. So today I'm going to share my knowledge whatever I have with Java. Okay, so this video is going to be only for anyone can go through this video. Whoever has no skills or no knowledge of Java, they can also go through this video so that they can understand what is Java and how they are going to work in the industry. So first thing is Java. Okay, so when I talk about Java, you guys might have heard more about this thing, core Java. There is core Java, there is J2E, there is advanced Java frameworks, other things. But everyone is going to say you that core Java is very important because core Java is the basic. If you don't have knowledge of core Java, you cannot understand advanced Java. You cannot understand Spring, the Java frameworks. Okay, so those things, to understand those things, you need to understand core Java first. So in the core Java, I'm going to divide it into three parts in core Java. Okay. In core Java, I'll divide it first with basic Java knowledge or basic programming knowledge, you can say. So I can say basic Java slash programming knowledge. Second, I can say OOPS concepts. I'll tell you what is OOPS all about. And third is some advanced topics of core Java. So this is what we are going to go through uh, in my future videos. Okay. So core Java, three things we are going to cover. Now, what comes under basic Java or programming language? What comes under OOPS? What comes under advanced topics of core Java? Okay. So basic Java or programming languages. So in this basic Java or programming language, you are going to know about what is Java, some features of Java, what are the features of Java. Then you're going to know about not OOPS concept. You are going to know about classes, objects, constructors. You're also going to know about variables, identifiers. Okay. You're also going to know about topics like this conditional statements, loops. You're going to know more things in this. Okay. These are just a basic things which will help you. If you have knowledge of this, then only you are going to write a code. Okay, but if you don't have knowledge of this, you won't be able to write any code. Classes, objects, constructors, and methods, I will say here. So yes, I'm going to share you a PDF which will have all the knowledge document about basic Java and programming language. So that's all for today. I'm going to wrap up this, and on the next session, we'll be discussing about this basic Java programming language thing. Okay, see you soon.